presented a proposal to Dave.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so I gave you some pricing on some material. You got a
Why does he say no? What's the number one reason people say no?
One of the big things they would say is, I gotta discuss it with somebody else, or I gotta discuss it. Their purchasing agent, and they need to discuss it.
Okay, so he's got to talk to somebody else.
Right.
So you just presented the deal.
Right.
Okay. Dave's gonna have the objection. He's got to talk to somebody else.
Right.
I want you to handle it.
Okay. Dave, other than checking with somebody else or checking with your boss, is there any other reason you wouldn't do this right now?
No, just got to check with somebody else before I get you a yes or no.
Excellent, that's perfect. And that makes perfect sense for you to want to do that. Make sure you're doing the right thing. Well, let me ask you this. What do you think they would object to?
I have no idea, man.
If you had to say one thing, what would that be?
Not sure.
Perfect, that makes sense. I mean, that's why you have to check with them, right? But
that's right.
If there was one thing that you might, in the past, what was the one thing they would have objected to in the past when you?
Price is way too high on that. That's what they objected to in the past.
I gotcha. Well, is there anything else besides price?
No, that's basically it. That's the only thing they've ever objected to is it's too much money.
Okay. So if you knew that by going with our material, even though it's a little bit higher, would be a better fit for your project, would you do it?
It's not up to me.
Would your boss do it?
I don't know.
I'm stumped.
Yeah. Okay. Now flip it.
But that's real.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
So there's the price. I sent over the appraisal, Any reason I couldn't get that back in the next 10 minutes?
Yeah, I got to check with my boss, man.
Good. I always have to check with my boss, too. If he said no, what would he be saying no to?
The price.
Why would he say no to the price? Would it be the fact that he had to pay everything all up front, he's going to get it cheaper somewhere else, he's got to pay us over time?
Channel him into the objections, right? He's trying to funnel him into.
Which one would it be?
Say it again.
Would it be having to pay everything all up front? Would it be he can get it cheaper down the street? Would it be we got to pay it over time?
Yeah, he's shopping it around, so he just want to make sure he's getting the right.
Oh, he's shopping it.
Yeah.
Completely understand. You know what's funny is everybody that I'm doing business with, they shop around. So what I did is I went out to my 3 competitors. I don't really have competitors, but that's what I have to call them because I don't have any other word for them. And actually just emailed you over their prices too. You want to open up your email?
Sure, I'll do it right now.
Which one's he going to say yes to?
Yeah, he'll probably say yes to yours.
Yeah, man, that's what I like to hear. Let's just get it done right now. Where's he at?
He's out of the office right now. I gotta call him here.
I know he's out of the office, or so he'd be talking to us. Where's he at?
He's taking a crap right now. No.
Does he have his phone on him?
Probably. Knowing him, he probably does.
Why don't you forward him that email? He'll probably pick it up.
All right, will do.
Okay, good.
Does that
Now,
help?
hey, walk over there.
Does that help?
Yeah, it does, yeah. Just kind of narrowing it down to a few things.
You've got to just, like, more than anything, like, anything you do once, you're not going to be that great at. So, like, you need to practice this over and over and over again. Because even, like, in your situation, you do this every day, you're trying to, like, figure out what to say or where to take it, right? Right. So it's about having something that you go in, planned and prepared to. Those 3 objections that you guys wrote down on your paper, like, you need to take back with you a sentence on how you handle that. Whether it's, if you show this to your senior executive, what are they going to say no to? Is it A, B, or C? Oh, well, it's not any of those. It's actually this. Ah, got it. Move over into that one.
If you're not satisfied with the status quo, if you want to kill the competition, if you're ready to grow your business at massive levels, I want to take 3 days to spend time with an exclusive group of people, entrepreneurs, business owners, business managers, coaches, and experts, and show you how to get a competitive edge in your business using social media, using e-commerce, using sales, salespeople, cold calls, follow-up, and a sales cycle and a business cycle that I guarantee will 10x your business in 2018. I'm doing this at the Diplomat Hotel. I'll take care of your hotel room. I'm gonna spend 3 days with you, and we're gonna focus on a plan that 10x's your business in 2018.